My name is Gcotyelwa Mwahleni. I am a grade 1 teacher at Kumisa Primary School. This is my story, Boso Story. The title of the story is Hic-hic-hiccups. It's written by Diane Hofmeyer. Baby has hiccups. Hic-hic-hiccups. What shall we do? I know, says Grandma. I'll give him a biscuit to chew and then he'll stop. But baby just spits and then hic-hic-hiccups. I know, says sister. I'll tickle him with a feather, then he'll stop. She tickles baby right under his nose. A tissue! Baby sneezes and then hic-hic-hiccups. I know, says little sister. I'll give him a bright fright and then he'll stop. She jumps out from behind a door. Boo! Wah! Baby cries and then hic-hic-hiccups. I know, says brother. I'll give him a drink of water and then he'll stop. Brother gives him some water. But baby just coughs and splutters and then hic-hic-hiccups. I know, says mama. I'll joggle him on my knee and then he'll stop. She joggles him up and down on her knee. But baby just brings up the biscuits and the water and then hic-hic-hiccups. Give baby to me, says Papa. I know what to do. We'll play flying babies. And he wheels baby round and round above his head. Oh no, he'll spit and sneeze, says Grandma and sister. He'll cry and cough, says little sister and brother. He'll be sick, says Mama. But no, baby just laughs and laughs and laughs. Has baby still got hiccups? No, they've gone. But Papa has hiccups. Hic-hic-hiccups. That's the end of the story.